Hey babe, I just got a box of organic pancake mix. I thought we could make pancakes.
I was hungry.
Where'd these come from?
I made them.
From what? How'd you make pancakes without organic pancake mix?
From scratch.
What? That's gotta be super expensive.
I don't know, is it?
I don't know. I guess today we're gonna figure out if your organic pancake stuff is more expensive than the store-bought organic.
Farmshivers.
Welcome to the Great Pancake Challenge. It's Lauren versus the grocery store. For this challenge, I'm going to be making store-bought pancake mix from the grocery store.
I'm gonna be making my own homemade mix.
And we're going to see which one ends up cheaper per ounce of batter.
I think it's gonna be me.
I also hope it's going to be yours. And just to be completely fair, I'm going to be rolling in the price of a couple extra ingredients that this box says I need for my pancakes, which is milk and butter and eggs. So that way the cost of my batter is total accumulation of all of the stuff I had to buy to make this batter.
I think that's fair. That sad day we're out of milk.
Okay, well, in that case, while you make your pancake mix, I will go to the store and get some milk.
Sounds like a plan.
We're gonna race. No, we're not. No.
My homemade mix is all made.
And I am back from the store with my milk.
Yay.
So we are gonna tear our mixing bowls and then get mixing. See who comes out on top.
Okay, but I just wanted to compare numbers, and you were like, but we have to see if the batter weighs the same. You have to be all sciencey.
Yeah, that's why we're tearing the mixing bowls.
Let's do
You
it.
just wanted everybody to know that I was the one that was like, ooh, we gotta tear the mixing bowls.
Yeah.
Okay, I confess. What you can't see off stage left is an enormous spreadsheet with every single price and ounce and conversions and all that stuff. I was promised I could use a spreadsheet.
Yeah, nerd it out.
No. It's called science. Science.
Nerd.
Here we go.
What are we doing? 1 cup?
We are doing 1 cup. This is the less sciencey part, is when I accidentally spill a bunch of this into the bowl.
So all mine needs is water.
Okay, mine needs milk and butter. And I think
Oh, eggs.
both of ours needs an egg. So since that's in the wash, we're just gonna ignore that because that'll be the same. Okay, I'm gonna scrape the butter. Get every
Butter's
last.
expensive. You gotta get it all.
Lucky for you, butter's expensive, because that drives up the price of mine. So, this is going straight in the spreadsheets. I have made 11.3 ounces of batter.
I've made 13.05.
Alright, we will enter that in the spreadsheets, and I'll be back with the total price per ounce in a moment. Okay, the verdict is in, and this is going to be the price per ounce of pancake batter. My organic pancake mix came out to be 11.9 cents per ounce of pancake batter. That's right. I'm going to the 10th of a cent here. And yours came out to be 8.8 cents per ounce of pancake batter. I can't believe it. That's
so exciting, because it's like organic milk and organic flour and all the healthy stuff.
It's all the healthy stuff and no
Soybean oil.
maltodextrin.
Yeah.
Here you go.
That's exciting. Plus we figured out that we use about half of this jar for one meal for our family, and that's about $5.
Yes, these jars are huge when it comes to a day when we have a soccer practice or a climbing practice or whatever it is. We just have to be out doing something on the farm, and we look at the clock and it's 6 o'clock and oh my gosh, we don't have dinner. I just grab one of these bad boys out of the pantry and we are ready to rock and roll.
Yeah, and the kids can they can make pancakes from scratch, but they are more likely to just grab one of these jars off the shelf and take it upon themselves to make some pancakes.
Yep, I am more likely to be like, oh, why don't you guys just go make some pancakes? I'm busy.
Good
that
dad.
Makes me Let me know when they're done, kids. Get my syrup. Rub my bunions.
Ew, that's so gross. I can't believe you said that.
What? I think that's from something.
Yeah, anyway, it's gross.
Okay. I don't know what that one's from. That's a new feeling for me.
Now you know how it feels.
Yes. Alright, we're gonna cut all that, so don't even worry about that.
I'm gonna take the W, the dub. Is that what they say?
That's what the kids are saying these days.
I'm taking the dub on
Take
this
the
one.
dub.
And hopefully maybe you are inspired to go make some homemade pancake mix of your own, and we'll see you next time on the Farm to Works.